guys. I am making a video today about a Spanish resource that I've used. I've put together here, and I'm giving away for free here today. Now, if anyone is interested in what I'm about to say, you can just send me a PM or leave a comment below in the comment section, and I will send you a private PM with a link to where to download this free resource that I'm providing to you. So let's begin. Now, before you can see a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet with a list of words. Now, all of these are Spanish words that I've put together when I was in Costa Rica, and this has helped me to increase my vocabulary very much in a great way. So, as you can see here, we have about 2,384 Spanish words. I translated from English to Spanish, and I would like to provide this to anyone who is interested in learning Spanish or brushing up on their Spanish or increasing their vocabulary in the Spanish language. Of course, this isn't the be all and end all of learning the Spanish language, but it will help, and this is a resource that will help you increase your vocabulary if you use it in the right way. Now, in order to use the vocabulary correctly, this spreadsheet correctly, you'll have to first do one of two things. Either you can download a spaced repetition program. One of two of the best ones would be either the Cue Card program or the Anki program. Now, I love using the Cue Card program because it's super simple to use, but the Anki program is, you have a lot more options in the Anki program, and the Anki program is very popular in the language learning community. So, first of all, when you get this Excel spreadsheet, if you're interested, the first thing you would need to do is convert this Excel spreadsheet file into a text delineated, tab delineated file. Now, in order to do that, you would have to, and I'm going to tell you why you need to do that as well. But in order to do that, you have to go to Start or File, Save As, go to Other Formats. Once the box comes up, just name the file whatever you want to name it and place it wherever you want to place it, and save the file type as a text tab delimited tab delimited. Now, once you save it, just save it somewhere you can actually quickly go ahead and access it. I like to save stuff on the desktop when you need to access it right away. Once you've done that, you can actually, and I'll put a link in the description box for the Cue Card and the Anki programs. They are free downloads, and you can actually download them from the web for free. They're free programs. So I'll actually provide a link of where you can download both of these programs. Now, like I said, once you've converted your file into a text tab delimited file, you then want to go ahead and go to File, Import, and you would notice it says that you have to choose Save As and select either a CSV or a text tab delimited as type. So either the CSV or the text tab delimited, you can use both of those, but you can't use any other type of file. That's why you have it converted before you actually import the file into either Anki or Cue Card. Now, we're just going to click Import, find the file that you saved, it would be saved as a text document, and you won't be able to see any other type of file. So just select the one that you saved, and once you do that, you're done. You can see now that all of the words are generated into the QCard program. Now, in order to study, like I said, the QCard program is like a flashcard. It is a flashcard program, but actually allows you to study words over a period of time, and uh, I'll show you how it works. Just want to click study over here and wait for that to load. Because it's such a big file, it's going to take a while just to load. See, not responding sign. So it's going to take a while to actually load up into the program, and you'll see how it works. So while it does that, I'm going to show you how to import the Excel file that you converted into the text tab, the limited file, in Anki. Now, the Anki program is the same. It's basically the same format. You first convert the file. And then you want to go to File, Import, find the file that you saved, and press Open. Now, see, in Anki it's a little different. It gives you more options. You have a lot of options here, and you can actually go ahead and check it out. It's not that of a big deal, not hard. It's pretty simple, but like I said, you have a lot more options than you do in QCard program. Now, once this tab comes up, you actually just go ahead and press Import, and then you see the status box comes up. Doesn't take that long to do. Like I said, once you've imported both of these files, you can actually go ahead and start studying the vocabulary. See this? Once you've gotten that to do, you see a status bar comes up, and it'll show you like how it is going to be on these flashcards. You want to just press close and press review. Now you see to and at, and you also have options of to make this bigger, or to put color in the background, or to do anything you want. And one thing I love about this Anki program is that I'm going to show you the answers should be you can actually choose between 4 options. You can choose very easy, which is this, easy, which is this again, good, or again. Now this option allows you to see this word again in the next 8 days when you study this vocabulary. This option allows you to see it in the next 4 days when you study in this vocabulary. If you press good, you will see this word in the next 1 day, and if you press again, you will see this word in your same study period. Now you have a timer here that tells you how long you've been studying, and also you can actually choose how many words you want to study per day. So you have that option as well. So that, like I said, QCard, the Anki program has a lot more options than the QCard program. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and press easy, and it just goes to the next word. Agunapati. Alright, so yeah, that's the QCard program. And you see, once you've studied words, the list goes down, and you have the timer still running. The timer restarts, I assume. So it just tells you how long you've been on that bird. Alright? Now, what else I want to show you? Oh, another thing. You've noticed that I've put the English first. Well, the spreadsheet itself, the Excel spreadsheet itself, is set up in that way. I've set it up in that way for a reason. You do this in order to think in the language. Excuse me. You do this in order to think in the language. You don't want to think in the English language. You want to think in the Spanish language. So if you put the English first and you put the target language second, you'll actually be thinking in your target language. As opposed to if you had the target language first, you would be thinking in English because you want to know how to say this English word. And something I learned from Luca Lamparelli in Italy. Now, let's go back to the cue card program to see whether or not, okay, so you see here that the vocabulary has now been in place into the cue card program, and you have them in the format that you want, whereas you can study them. You can either study all of them, or you can actually go ahead and limit the amount of words, the amount of cards you want to study. I'm going to just study 20 because if you put all those words in programs, the program starts to run slowly. So yeah, you want to just click continue. Alright, so here's the actual cue card. They give you the, like in the Anki program, you can actually make this word bigger so you can see it much better. You can make the background any color that you like, and all of this can be done in the options menu. And I'm gonna allow you to go ahead and play around with that. But I like the cue card program. Is very simple, it's straightforward, it's down to the point. Anki is straightforward as well, but you have to learn it. You have to learn the program and learn how to use it correctly. Alright, and that doesn't take long as well. Yeah, so once you show answer, you get what the answer is. Like I said, English, then Spanish. English, then Spanish. Okay. English, then Spanish. So there it is. If you guys actually want this resource, that this 2,340 and 84 words that I put together in a spreadsheet format, just let me know in the comment box and I will be glad to send it to you via a link. I just want to thank you very much for watching my videos. This is just my way of saying thanks to all of my subscribers and those who are studying languages and who were following me for basketball. Yes. Now, alright, so just let me know what you think about this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you once again. Bye.